Yeah, hi, my name's Jason Japp. I'm the divisional franchisor for Jim's Scratch and Dent. I got started in the industry through a company called Schmick Scratch and Dent Assist. It's a company that I started in 2010, and it specialised in the repair of minor scratches and dents, and very similar to roadside assist, where when people broke down and needed their car fixed, Scratch and Dent Assist was all about when people bought a new car and got a scratch or dent. We created a cost-effective solution and convenient solution for going out and repairing that car. I've obviously moved on from that business now, but that's typically how I got started in the industry. I had no experience at all at that point, so I had to employ and partner with a lot of people that are entrenched in the industry and knew a lot more about the repair side of things than I did. Certainly, I certainly love the innovation. I'm big on innovation, and what that allows us. That's really been the emergence of the mobile sector. From what from what I can see, it makes our job a whole lot easier, and more. From a personal perspective, what I'm really enjoying right now is providing people with an opportunity to starting their own business under the Jim's umbrella. This might not go down too well, but what I most dislike about the industry is the demise of the family-owned business. The industry seems to be very much controlled by large companies that own a lot of the panel shops and within the industry, and have bought out all the family-owned businesses. It's very hard to start a small family-owned business in the industry these days, unlike maybe 20 years ago. My first car was a Datsun 180B. My current car is a 300 series Land Cruiser, the sports model, which certainly does everything I need it to do. And I guess dream car, look, to be honest, I'm not a big car type of a person, but if how can you go past a Lamborghini?